Hey guys, what you're looking at here is a 42-inch Hampton-based Southwind ceiling fan. This is from September of 1990. Earlier today I took down my Moss spinner and put this up. I was meant to put this up many weeks ago, but I haven't gotten around to doing it. So this is the long-awaited video. So how I got this fan was a really nice dude named Billy gave this to me. It was sitting in his attic for so many years and he didn't know what to do with it, so he was kind enough to let me have it. Alright, I'll grab my phone and give you a closer look at it. Here's a closer look. There's the Hampton Bay logo. A lot of 90s Hampton Bays have the Hampton Bay logo on their switch housings. Let me get up on the ladder. This fan is white and polished brass, and it's got the Panama vents. This pull chain is not original. When I got it, it came with this really rusty metal Hampton Bay pull chain. It looked like a piece of junk, so I took that off, replaced it with this. The blade brackets are not original either. The original blade brackets looked identical to these, but they were really rusty and they broke really easily, so I had to replace them. And I'm borrowing these brackets from one of my latex huggers. And that bolt that you screw onto the chain broke off. Unfortunately, the blades are non-reversible. They're white on both sides. You may be wondering why there's tape on the top of the blades, and that's because when I got this fan, all the blades were taped together, and the tape that you see did not want to come off. So obviously I have it facing up, because if it was facing down, it would look really ugly. So here's the top. The date's somewhere right here. I'm trying to get the camera to focus in. It says in here somewhere, I don't know why this camera won't focus. Nah, forget it. Ah, there we go. It says September, and there's a 1990 right there. Oh my gosh. There we go, you can kind of see it better. Let me move this out of the way. There you go. Now you can clearly see it. Alright, I'll set the phone back down. Alright, and without further ado, I will go ahead and demonstrate the fan for you. Starting off with low. Surprisingly, this fan doesn't make any noise at all. The noise that you're hearing in the background is the box fan. Alright, here's medium. This thing is very powerful. Here's high. I didn't expect this, honestly. The airflow in this fan is just unbelievable. I'm not saying that to brag. I mean, this thing is just powerful. Literally, after so many years of this fan sitting in the attic, it blows a really good amount of air. And it doesn't make any noise at all. Alright, that is it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.